Hello everyone, it's Smokey and Michelle, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today is going to be a makeup tutorial, and I'm going to show you how I got this pinup makeup wearing a Besame Cosmetics Snow White eyeshadow palette collection, and as well as Besame Cosmetics, so stay tuned. So today I'll be showing you how I do my pink and red smoky eyeshadow pinup look using Besame Cosmetics Snow White and 7 Doors collection, as well as their black cake mascara, blush, and translucent powder. As you can see, I'm a huge fan of Besame. So here's the booklet that I'll be using from Besame. And I'll be using the colors Holly 104, Brick 105, Saddle 106, and Saddle 104. So let's get started. Okay, so now I'm going to be taking my eyeshadow brush, and I will be using Holly 104, and I'll be applying that to my lids. Now, if you see me looking at the camera a lot, it's just because I was making sure that my video camera wouldn't die, because it was about a quarter of percentage left and I didn't want to keep going while the camera had stopped. So I put this all over my lid, and now I am putting on Brick 105. I use that in the corner of my outer eyelid as well as the crease, and I bring up the shadow to the crease even higher, almost going to the brow bone but not quite. For this look, I'm going to bring this shadow all the way up right underneath the brow bone, but also in the middle I bring it up to almost to my eyebrows, the bottom of my eyebrows, and I'll show you why I do this in a minute. So now I'm going to take Saddle 106 and put it in the corner of the beginning of my eyebrow, right underneath. And now I'm using Saddle 104 for the brow bone to give it highlight. I like to pack that on there, so I use a lot of it, even though I don't need to, because Besame Cosmetics is very pigmented. So now I take my blending brush and I just smooth it all out, and I just do one swipe on the right eye. Now I am using the black cake mascara, and I put on my mascara kind of weird. Well, I'm using this as my eyeliner, but I put it on sometimes in the middle. I used to do that a lot and then connect it, but now I put it on in the first corner of the lid and then the outer corner, and then I do the middle. I don't know why, it's just something that I do. I used to put them on from the beginning all the way to the end, but I don't know, it just works out better for me if I do one inside and one outside and then just go from there. And the way to do these wing eyeliners, I call them the cat eyes because they remind me of cat eye sunglasses, is just to make a triangle. Just bring the brush slightly ever so out, and then from there, from that point, take it and then connect it to your eyeliner, and then you just fill it. It's really simple, and it took me a long time to master. I'm just making sure that all of my eyeliner on both sides are very dark. The key to having a dark eyeliner is just to put just the right amount of water in there, not too much, and then to just swish around on the eyeliner brush until it's dry, and then you proceed to put it on your lid. So now I'm using my eraser because I messed up. This is also an eyeshadow brush, but I use it as my eraser. So I'll put in just a little bit of water and I wipe off the excess just so that the brush is damp. And then I just slightly erase my cake mascara. The best thing about it is that it was activated by water, so it can be taken off with water. Again, it's the same brush that I'm using, just one is for cake mascara and one is for my eraser that I use with water. So now I'm going to be brushing my eyebrows. Finally, I got those bad boys threaded. I'm very excited. I look like such a woman because I got my eyebrows threaded. Yay! I feel so happy getting my eyebrows threaded. So now I am using the brown cake mascara for my eyebrows. When I tell you I go all out for Besame, I go all out for Besame. I wear Besame all over my face. And if they come out with the liquid foundation makeup line, I am all over that. So now I'm using my eraser again just to make sure that the eyebrows are even and that there's nothing extra on my face when it comes to my brows. So now I am using the Sweet Pink Rouge from Besame. It's a nice light dusty pink. And now I'm using the cake mascara for what it's meant to be used for originally, mascara. This little toothbrush looking thing, but it took a while, but I ended up getting the hang of it. I'm also using the Sleeping Beauty cast iron, gold iron mirror. It's really heavy but very beautiful, also from Besame Cosmetics, part of their Sleeping Beauty collection. So now I'm putting on my fake eyelashes. I learned this from Cherry Dollface. I put them on in the middle, and then I just bring them down on either side. Now, you're supposed to wait 60 seconds, a minute to maybe a minute and 15 seconds for it to dry, just a little bit, and then you put it on. But me, I was rushing this, so I put it on while it was wet. You're supposed to wait till it's almost dry, but not there yet. Just, I would say 60 seconds is a good count up, and then you put it on your eyes. And then I clamp it down, not hard, but just gently. And I have it clamped down for about a couple of seconds, and then I gently take it off. That's just to make sure that the eyelash is melded together with the real eyelash. Another trick I use is I have my eyes closed, and then I just kind of lightly brush down my eyelash just to make sure that it's on my skin and not my real eyelashes. Now I will be using the translucent powder. I'm using, I believe it's Rose. And I really love French vanilla and French vanilla chai. But it smells really great. It was, I believe it was a gift with purchase. But I got an extra one from Besame. And I put it all over my face and also all over my neck, especially on my T-zone where I'm the most oily. I put a lot of it on my nose to keep that matte look and so that I don't have an oil slick on my face during the day. But it doesn't work because I'm still very oily. So now I'm using the Sweetheart Glaze lip gloss from, of course, Besame. My lips are very dry, so I put on just a little bit so that I won't have too much gloss on my lips because I do have very big lips. And now I am using Besame Cosmetics lip brush, and I am using Red Velvet. I'm not one for lip liner. I just can't get into it because I feel like, I don't know, it just, you take away from the lipstick. But I understand what it's used for, but I don't ever use it. I just haven't gotten into it. I tried, but it doesn't work for me. Maybe one day I will. But Besame does really well with their wedge-shaped lipstick that you can use as a lip liner. So now I'm applying the Red Velvet lipstick. And I also apply Red Velvet to my bottom lip, the lower lash, or sorry, the lower lip line, because my lip is not as big as my top lip and I want them to be even. So here you have it. I think I did pretty well. Here you go. This is my pinup look using Snow White collection from Besame Cosmetics. Hope you enjoy. Have a great one. Bye!